Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt lost trying to create a task in Jira, or if you're new to project management tools, don't worry. In this quick and complete guide, I'll walk you step by step through creating a task in Jira the right way so you can manage your work like a pro. Stick around till the end. I'll also share a quick tip that most beginners miss when setting up their first Jira task. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Jira dashboard. Once you're in, head over to the Your Work section on the left-hand side. This is basically your central hub, where you can see all your recent projects, issues, and assigned tasks. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're logged into the correct workspace. Next, look at the top of your screen. You'll notice a Create button. This is the magic button that starts everything in Jira. Click on it, and you'll open the task creation window. Now comes a key step. Selecting the right project and issue type. From the project dropdown, pick the project where your task belongs. Then, under issue type, choose task, not bug or subtask. This ensures your work is tracked correctly and doesn't get buried under unrelated issues. Once that's done, move on to the summary and description fields. For the summary, write a short, clear title that explains what the task is about, like update the product landing page banner. Then, in the description box, go into detail, what needs to be done, why it matters, and any extra context your teammate might need. The clearer your task, the faster it gets done, and with fewer questions later. After that, it's time to assign the task. Select the teammate who's responsible for completing it using the assignee field. Assigning tasks keeps accountability clear and helps your team stay organized. Finally, click the Create button at the bottom. You'll see a success message pop up, and just like that, your new Jira task is officially created and assigned. And that's it, your complete beginner-friendly walkthrough on how to create a task in Jira. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more quick and practical tech tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.